Right, between the dry, cold air, our skin is suffering, add in the wind, and it's over, especially for our hands. Beauty expert Lynda Moore is here to tell us how to remedy the winter dry skin. It is so bad. My hands, my knuckles are cracking and they bleed, Lynda.
I know.
Awful.
You did tell me that last time, so I thought, let's just talk about hands.
Let's
talk about hands.
Let's.
Okay, so the #1 anti-aging hand cream is sunscreen.
Okay, say that again.
Sunscreen is the #1 anti-aging hand cream. Of course, you put it on your face, and I think people mostly just put it on their face, but definitely put it on the back of your hands as well.
Okay.
Because we want to protect. Now, there's also these bougie driving gloves by the Skinny Confidential, and I'm actually wearing these right now.
They are
and they're
very
totally
bougie.
Cute, yes. But the skin on the hands and on the arms are thin, the thinnest part of the body. Well,
I didn't know
yes,
that.
Yes.
I didn't know that. The thinnest skin on the body.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's where
we want to protect it.
We want to protect it, yes. So while you're walking, the dog or the stroller or driving, the sun goes through the windshield, so through the windows as well.
Yeah. Oh, totally. It goes through the windows. Sometimes the windows can like amplify the sun. Okay, so that's really smart to protect it.
Bougie gloves. Aren't they cool though? Kind of Audrey Hepburn kind of feeling.
Yeah. Could these seal in moisture too?
Yes. So put on your moisturizer first, and then the bougie gloves. You could even sleep with these on.
Okay.
I do, and it really helps to seal in the moisture.
And that's to like this, the sunscreen, the gloves to prevent your hands basically from aging and looking old.
Skin cancer.
Yeah, that too.
Pigmentation, dryness, all of it.
Okay.
Okay.
So what can we do now with like the winter dry? I don't even want our photographer to zoom in on my hands because it's embarrassing. Don't do it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna help you right here. I want you to do this tonight.
Okay.
Take a bowl of lukewarm water.
Okay.
Okay, add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons or so of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. This is probably so cold in here that it's not even coming out. So you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Here comes the honey. Oh gosh, you gotta press it hard.
Okay, so 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon
Soak
honey.
for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
And it feels so good.
Okay.
3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse off, and then put just a heavy, thick moisturizer. You could use Vaseline. You could use just a really thick moisturizer.
Okay.
Put some socks on or gloves and sleep with this on. This will last. This will last a long time.
Feels good.
That hydration will last for days.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
The honey, the olive oil, the thick moisture, the socks that you apply on top. Now these are just also some hand creams. You want to apply moisturizer to your hand cream. I have one in my bag. I have one near my nightstand, on my nightstand. I have one in my car.
I've got them everywhere.
Yes,
but,
so you need that hydration. You could use, the products that's on your face, your retinol, your serum, also on your hands.
Okay.
Yes. So bring it all the way down to your arms and hands.
You have here hand soap. With frequent washing, obviously we are all more mindful now of germs and spreading germs than we were previously. But is this leading or helping lead to all the dryness?
Yes, and the hand sanitizers, I see you guys have them all down this hallway and everything. That's actually lotion, hand lotion.
Oh.
But you're right, we are washing our hands so much, which is stripping the natural oils on our skin.
Okay.
So we do need to wash our hands, of course, and sanitize, but you have to moisturize right after, and that will help to just also hydrate the skin.
So immediately after cleansing,
immediately after cleansing, but I want you to use because I know that you use serums and exfoliants and all of that. Apply it on the hands as well, because our skin needs that protection, needs that hydration.
I'm going to try this DIY concoction again. Warm water, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey.
Yes, soak for about 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Rinse off, put a thick moisturizer, put Darren socks or
Darren's our producer. I do not want to put his socks on my hands.
You don't? Okay, don't put Darren's socks on. And then,
right.
or gloves, and then
Yeah.
sleep with this on.
Okay. Thank you so much, Lynda. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
that. You can find more